Your windows do far more than let in sunlight. They define your home's personality, shape its energy efficiency, and enhance its overall value. In Rowlett, where homes range from cozy lakeside cottages to modern suburban designs, the right window style can beautifully complement your home's architecture while boosting comfort and curb appeal. If you're planning a window replacement or upgrade, here's a guide to help you choose the perfect window style that enhances both the form and function of your Rowlett home. Consider your home's architectural character. Every home design has its own story, and your windows should reflect that. The best window styles are those that seamlessly blend with, or thoughtfully contrast, your home's existing architectural elements. Traditional homes. For classic or colonial style houses in Rowlett, double-hung windows are timeless choices. Their symmetrical design and easy operation complement traditional exteriors beautifully. Pair them with grills or divided panes for added charm. Modern or contemporary homes. If your home features sleek lines and open spaces, casement or picture windows offer a minimalist, sophisticated look. They provide wide, unobstructed views of the outdoors while maintaining clean, modern aesthetics. Ranch-style or mid-century homes. Sliding windows work perfectly for single-level homes, offering easy ventilation and a streamlined design that matches horizontal architectural lines. Lakefront or scenic properties. For homes near Lake Ray Hubbard or those with lush garden views, bay and bow windows create a sense of openness while framing natural beauty, bringing the outside in. By matching window design with architecture, you ensure your home looks cohesive and thoughtfully designed from every angle. Balance beauty and functionality. While aesthetics are important, your window choice should also suit your daily lifestyle and comfort needs. In Rowlett's variable Texas climate, windows that offer both style and performance are key. For ventilation. Casement and awning windows open outward to capture breezes, perfect for keeping your home fresh during spring and fall. For natural light. Picture or bay windows maximize daylight while visually expanding interior spaces. For easy maintenance. Double-hung windows allow both sashes to tilt inward, making cleaning quick and convenient. For limited spaces. Sliding or awning windows fit well in smaller rooms like bathrooms or laundry areas where full swing openings aren't practical. Finding the balance between visual appeal and functionality ensures that your windows not only look great but also enhance your daily comfort. Choose materials that withstand Rowlett's climate. With Texas heat and the occasional stormy season, durability matters. Modern window materials are designed to handle temperature fluctuations while maintaining efficiency and beauty. Vinyl windows. Affordable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, vinyl is a popular choice among Rowlett homeowners. Fiberglass windows. Ideal for long-term performance, fiberglass resists warping and cracking while providing superior insulation. Aluminum windows. Known for their strength and slim profiles, aluminum windows are perfect for modern designs with large glass panels. Wood-clad windows. For homeowners seeking warmth and natural beauty, wood-clad options deliver a luxurious interior look with weather-resistant exteriors. Each material has unique benefits, so consider your budget, maintenance preferences, and long-term energy goals when deciding. Enhance efficiency and comfort with modern features. In addition to style, today's replacement windows offer advanced features that improve comfort and sustainability, crucial in Rowlett's warm summers. Look for low-E glass coatings that reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes for added insulation. Double or triple pane glass for better temperature control and sound reduction. Tight weather seals to prevent air leaks and drafts. These energy-efficient upgrades not only make your home more comfortable but also reduce cooling costs and your environmental footprint. Personalize your look with finishes and details. Finally, don't overlook the finishing touches that make your windows stand out. From frame colors and trim designs to grid patterns and hardware finishes, customization allows your windows to express your home's unique character. Neutral tones like white or beige create timeless elegance, while darker frames like bronze or black add modern contrast. For coastal or lakefront homes, soft blues and grays can evoke a serene, natural vibe that fits perfectly with Rowlett's scenic surroundings. Final thoughts: choosing the perfect window style for your Rowlett home is about more than aesthetics. It's about harmony between beauty, performance, and function. The right windows enhance your home's design, improve energy efficiency, and create inviting spaces filled with natural light. Whether you're refreshing your existing home or building new, partnering with local window professionals ensures expert guidance, proper installation, and long-lasting results. With thoughtfully chosen, well-installed windows, your Rowlett home will shine, inside and out.